An interesting interaction with the judge, the prosecution, Kaitlin Armstrong, and her defense attorneys as they discuss the decision on whether or not Armstrong would testify. Armstrong evidently conflicted as she tells her attorney she doesn't want to, and when she walks back to her seat, she mouths something to her parents. They then leave the room after sitting and listening to more than 40 witnesses testify over the past 9 days. Armstrong is accused of killing pro cyclist Anna Mariah Wilson in May 2022 in East Austin. The defense called backup to the stand Colin Strickland, the man who seems to be the reason why the women knew each other. An answer we've heard many times before from him was repeated again today, as the defense rattled off questions about if Strickland ever lied to Armstrong or even lied by omission. He replied, "I don't recall." The defense stating he seems comfortable with misinformation. A forensic metallurgist and material scientist also testified to the subjective nature of analyzing tool markings, which the prosecution used to try to prove the likelihood of the casings found at the crime scene came from Armstrong's gun. A DNA consultant also took the stand and discussed transferred DNA after Wilson and Armstrong's DNA were found on Wilson's bike, and Strickland and Armstrong's DNA were found on the guns discovered at Strickland's home. You agree that a person's DNA can be in a place that they've never even been? Asked the defense, going on to say, and it can be an item that they've never even touched? Correct, he said. The defense rested. Then the state called a forensic scientist who says it's more likely Armstrong placed her DNA on the bike, not that Wilson transferred Armstrong's DNA to it. The state then rests.